Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get a rope in Bellwright. And the first option to get it is to buy it from the traders, for example in the first village right here. The other way to do it is to attack the bandit camps. Sometimes in the chest or on the bandit themselves you can find the rope. And the last option, and I think the most easy one, is to craft it. To do that you will need to unlock the Weaver Loom in your tech tree. Before Weaver Loom you will need to build the foraging camp, and then there's the Weaver Loom. We can craft the rope. Then navigate to your Weaver Loom that you built. Start crafting. There's a rope right here. You will need flax and hemp. To get a flax, it basically grows anywhere, everywhere I mean, and it's this purple or violet flower just growing everywhere. Then other resource is 2 times hemp, and to find the hemp it's mostly spawns in the forest. Now just click on your rope to begin crafting it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.